all, before we start, any question from last class or previous classes? Because today I have few questions to ask. Guys, please respond. Any question from the last class? Otherwise, I have some questions to ask. So, guys, is it right time to start? Still, we are a little less people. Okay, we can wait. We can wait, guys. Before that, don't want to waste this time. Time is precious. Do you have any questions? We should interact in German. While we are waiting for others to join, you should talk to me in German. You should clear your doubts. If you have, yesterday it was a very good session, but you didn't ask anything. But I think you should ask. And
Hi, ma'am. Vidhi this side.
Hi, Vidhi. Hi, Vidhi. How are you? Wie geht's?
Ich bin fantastisch.
Sehr gut. Okay, Vidhi. Tell me what doubt you have.
Ma'am, I asked Himanshi ma'am too. I wanted to ask if the R sound in German and in French language there's also this same R sound. Are they similar?
Okay. French, that I need to check. Because I know German, so I can say it's air.
Ma'am, French is like guttural, like it's from the throat. It's like more prominent, but in German as well, I've noticed like it's something from the throat.
Yes. If you say ish, because how we practice ish, we used to keep our pen or pencil in our mouth, and then we used to say ish.
Yeah, exactly.
So that way, and how we learn nach. So we used to practice a lot.
Yes, exactly.
So maybe then if it's like this, then I would also get to learn something from you, Vidhi.
It's the same thing. Like that's how we were taught to do that air thing. Air.
Okay, yes. And I think if you wanted to learn a language, Vidhi, it's very important to get involved in activities. I remember we used to learn German with activities. We never literally learn with like books, and we were like saying, my name is Suniti Bhatia, and like this, like we have learned in school. Like we used to write an essay on Bali on this, but how we learned German, we were totally involved in activities. I remember there was a session on which there was a dialogue from picture Mohabbatein. She was my teacher. She was a very big fan of Shah Rukh Khan. So she said, translate, ek ladki thi diwani si, es war eine Frau. Sie haben einen Mann geliebt. So we have learned like this. So if you want to learn a language, just think in German. Start doing everything in German. Talk to yourself. If you want to talk to yourself, talk in German.
Okay.
If you want to teach, you have any thoughts in your mind, start thinking in German.
Yeah.
And if you're watching a movie, अच्छा ये ऐसे बोल रहे, अब इसका जर्मन में क्या डायलॉग होगा, मतलब हमने ऐसे सीखी है. And we have learned this way very easily and very quickly. This is very quick way to learn any language. And if you're motivating me to learn French, then I would definitely. Please help me, Vidhi.
Sure, ma'am. Ma'am, did you learn German from Max Muller?
Max Muller, Goethe Institute, Connaught Palace.
Yeah, okay. Ma'am, I'm learning French from Albion Française.
It's I think the best for French, I guess.
Yes, ma'am. It's in
and for Spanish, I wanted to learn Spanish with German, but मेरे friends ने मुझे थोड़ा demotivate कर दिया था कि तेरा दिमाग बहुत छोटा है यार, तू रहने दे. तो हाँ, तो मैं Cervantes Institute में मैंने अपना एक entrance exam भी दे दिया था. It's in CP. It's near CP. It's in, I guess, Ramakrishna Ashram, Cervantes Institute for Spanish.
Ma'am, but French is nicer. You should learn French.
Okay. Thank you for motivating me, Vidhi. I will definitely try and call you. Anybody watch movie with German subtitles?
Okay.
No.
Preeti, do you wanted to ask any German movie?
Yes, I'm sure.
And that I need to check. It's been long. We used to watch German movies. Even our teacher used to give us
I
CDs.
watched interviews like yesterday on YouTube of the
Hmm?
German people like on the streets. They were just asking random things. Like one of the interviews included them expressing their thoughts on how they liked America, and each almost all of them said nicht.
Yeah, now you
Nothing.
understand. So
Yeah.
you must know Schwarzkopf.
Yes.
Schwarzkopf is a German brand because
Yeah.
Schwarz is black, Kopf is head. So these are the things. Now Nivea is a German brand.
Yeah.
So now you'll get to know once you have a strong vocabulary, then you can understand, okay, this is a German brand, this is something. BMW,
Yeah.
Volkswagen, Das Auto, it's a German brand. Nobody taught this to us, but we know Das Auto in German, it's Auto, Das Auto, ad aati thi. We understood, okay, it's a
Audi.
German. Audi. So that way. But I'll
Wanted
definitely
to
share
learn grammar better, like German grammar.
German grammar.
Hmm.
German grammar, okay. So German grammar is little different. I would not say tough, but it's little different. When I started learning German, I thought I cannot catch this because there was articles with everything and there were so many other things. I thought I can't do it, but then
Um.
I gave good amount of time to it, and
Hmm.
there was some passion in me to learn German.
Hmm.
So that's why I thought it's not difficult, it's different. So that sort of mentality helped me to learn German grammar, to grab German grammar, because it's little different. I would not say difficult.
Yeah, like even in French, there's articles, but I heard in German there's also this neutral one or something like third one. I don't know.
Yes. So they say der Mann, so male,
Yeah,
die Frau, female, and das Baby.
yeah,
So they
does.
say das Baby. So for them, das Baby, whether it's boy or girl, uh, for them it's neutral.
Yeah.
So das Baby, das Wasser, die Cola, die Limonada, but das Wasser. So that
Hmm.
way, there are certain things like in Hindi also we have this uh, uh, with everything. I think
Yeah.
दरवाजा खुला है, तो खुला
Hmm.
क्यों है, खुली क्यों नहीं है?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
that way everything is bounded with feminine and masculine thing in German. So this
Hmm.
is the only small trick to learn behind when you wanted to learn German grammar. There
Okay.
is this small thing, so you don't think that it is difficult. It
No,
is
no.
different.
Yeah. And
Mind
ma'am,
it.
how many levels have you done?
C1, say eins.
Oh, okay, that's a good level.
Yeah, only say so. I was left. I don't know. I started my job. Today I regret not doing say so. Yes.
Ma'am, who do you work for?
I initially worked for Amazon,
Hmm.
and then I worked for Egon Zehnder as a data analyst, and then I worked for Exchanging Technologies as a German language expert. I was into trading process.
So today's topic is Körperteil and adjective und adjective. So it's basically human body parts. Körper is body and human body part.
Tile is parts. Körper
Parts.
is
Tile is
body, tile
parts.
part. So ein Teil means one part. Zweiteil is two part. So Körperteil is body parts. Body and tile, Körperteil, body part. So I think you should zoom in your screen and you can see. So I'll start I'll start from the top. Der Kopf, head, der Gesicht, your face, their Hals, your throat, shoulder,
Shoulder.
shoulders, Bauch, your belly or stomach, das Hand, Gelenke, aber ich weiß das Hand, I don't know. Der Knöchel, der Fuß, der Beine, your
Their finger.
okay, Handgelenke is wrist. Okay, even I got confused. Himanshi, I think we should move to the next slide where, so as we told you, Kyofer is body, the Kyoper bodies. So you can see we have body plural forms also. Their Kopf, head. If I wanted to say in German that I am suffering from headache, ich habe Kopfschmerzen. I have headache. So Kopfschmerzen. Kopfschmerzen. Anybody wants to try this with me? Der Kopf, der Rumpf, der Arm, das Bein. Anybody wants to try with me, guys? Be quick.
I might like to. with
Okay, okay, Vidhi. We'll start with der Kyofer.
Their cure.
Kyofer. Yes,
Their
yes,
cure.
yes. Der Kopf. Kopf.
Their cough.
So Kopf is head. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen. Schmerzen, pain.
Okay. Ich habe Kopfschmerzen.
Kopfschmerzen. Ich habe Bauchschmerzen. I have pain in my stomach. I have stomachache. So,
Okay.
ich habe Kopfschmerzen. I have body ache, if you wanted to say. So, Schmerzen is pain.
Schmerzen.
Their arm. Their arm.
Arm.
Their arm.
Their arm.
What should I write, Neha, for you? Okay. Bauch. Again, that k sound.
Bauch.
Bauch. So, der Arm, das Bein.
Das Bein.
Next, Himanshi. So, das Gesicht, face, das Kinn,
Gesicht.
face, chin, Kinn. Your Kinn.
Das Kinn.
Der Mund.
Der Mund.
So, if you wanted to say shut up in German, you'll say Mund zu. Mund zu. Shut up.
So it's like ZU but Su. Like
Yeah, ZU but su. Mund su. If you wanted to
Mund
say someone that to just shut up for a while, you can say Mund su.
Okay.
So we learned this while we were learning this. So,
Yeah.
Mund su. Die Lippe.
Die Lippe.
Der Zahn. Die
Der
Zahn.
Zahn.
So if you wanted to say clean your teeth, bitte putzen Sie die Zähne. Please clean your teeth. Putzen, to clean. I think Himanshi, can you please write putzen? Should I do? Wait. Putzen, to clean. Oh, okay. Bitte die Zähne putzen. Please clean your teeth. Ich muss mein Zähne putzen. I must clean my teeth. Okay?
Okay.
Anybody else want to try, or should I continue with Vidhi? Okay, Vidhi.
Yes.
Next, die Zunge. Die Zunge.
Zunge. Die
Zunge.
Zunge.
Die
Zunge.
Nase. Die Nase.
Die Nase.
So nose. Nase. Die Wange.
Die Wange.
Cheek.
Cheek. And ma'am, the words on the right most, they are feminine.
Plural. They are plural.
Plural.
They are
Okay.
plural. So in German, if there is no article with plural, everything is the.
Okay.
So
Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm
yes.
confused about. I thought like the same with feminine and plural.
Okay. Is it same way
Yeah.
in French?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
It's not. There are different articles.
Okay. But in German, singular form do have different articles, but with their plural form, it's the.
Okay. I will be das Auge.
I can't see a screen.
Yeah. Also, ma'am, how do we make words plural? Is there a certain way?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Is the screen visible now, Vidhi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's
Okay.
visible.
So Vidhi, I was saying, you should start first with articles, then you should start with sentence building, and then you should start with plural and singular, because everything has its own variations.
Okay.
So that's all. Don't start with the plural and then. So there is a way. If you wanted to learn it after these sessions, so you can.
Okay.
Screen. So we can start now.
Yeah.
Anybody else want to try, guys? Again asking. I think you should try. Nobody wants to try? Okay.
Ma'am, Shrestha wants to.
Shrestha? Okay,
Yes,
Shrestha.
ma'am. Shall I start?
Yes, Shrestha.
Das
There
Auge.
is one question. Wait. Last slide, repeat kar do. Okay. I'll repeat it for you. Himanshi, last slide.
Last slide.
Yes. Previous one. This one. This one, right? Der Körper, so body, der Kopf, listen to me very carefully, Kopf, der Rumpf, der Arm, das Bein. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Der Körper, der Kopf, der Rumpf, der Arm, das Bein. Is it clear with you, Himanshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We can move forward. Das Auge,
Das Auge.
die Augenbraue, your eyebrow.
Die Augenbraue.
Auge is eyes, Augenbraue is eyebrow.
Augenbraue.
Hmm. The whimper, eyelashes. Das Ohr,
Das Ohr,
Ohr. Das Haar,
das Haar,
der Bart, Beard,
der Bart,
der Schnurrbart, Schnurrbart,
der
Mustache.
Schnurrbart,
So your das Auge, Augenbraue, die Wimper, das Ohr, das Haar, der Bart, der Schnurrbart. So eyes is the Augen, die Augenbrauen, die Wimpern, die Ohren, die Haare, die Bart, die Schnurrbart. Is it clear?
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Himanshi. I think we should move forward. Okay, Shrestha,
Yes, ma'am.
der Hals,
Der Hals,
die Schulter,
die Schulter,
die Brust,
die Brust,
die Brust, es tut mir leid, die Brust,
die
Chest,
Brust,
der Bauch,
der Bauch,
der Bauchnabel,
der Bauchnabel,
die Scheide.
die Scheide.
Okay. Die Halse, die Schultern, die Brüste, die Bauche, die Bauchnabel, die Schneiden.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I repeat anything or should I move forward? Any question before that? Haben Sie Fragen?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Wir sollen fragen. You should ask. Okay. Okay, part of arms. Okay. Die Ellenbogen.
Die Ellenbogen.
This is the plural form, but their Ellenbogen.
Der Ellenbogen.
Die Hand.
Die Hand.
Die Hande.
Die Hande.
Their finger. Finger. We of English as same as English.
Der Finger.
Die Achsel. Armpits.
Die Achsel.
Their Nagel. Your nails.
Der Nagel.
Himanshu, do you remember nail print in German? Nagel.
Nail paint.
Yes,
Wait a
there
second.
was some related to this Nagel only. We used to. I remember I went to a shop, cosmetic shop. I said that word to the shopkeeper.
Ma'am, it's Nagel Lak.
Yeah, Nagel Lak. Do you have Nagel Lak? I said. He said what? So I started thinking in German.
Yeah, once I said Entschuldigung to people in metro. Rajiv Chowk. So they were like, what is this? Sorry, please excuse me.
Yeah. So I think we all have in future our students also have this incidents to share with us, and we would love to hear from you. So I am just wondering that you have started calling your parents mutter and father. I'm willing to know this.
Yeah, sometimes I call my mother Mooter.
So how she reacted on that?
She always asking me about daughter, and I forget about daughter word
Doctor,
in German. Doctor.
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 Sometimes she
So
got irritated.
so I remember we used when I was in college. This WhatsApp was new thing. So we had a group and we used to chat in German only in that group. So we used to say good night and everything in German. Gute Nacht. So I think you should. It's a good way to learn. And I remember there was a uh, we were learning verbs. I remember. So our teacher gave us some songs. She was again very big fan of Shah Rukh Khan. But then somehow we got this song "Thande Thande Pani Se Nahana Chahiye" and we have to translate this song in German using German verbs. So if you don't mind, I can tell you: Kalt,
Yeah,
kalt,
sure.
Wasser, duschen, duschen. Man kann singen oder nicht singen, aber man soll singen. ठंडे ठंडे पानी से नहाना चाहिए गाना आए या ना आए गाना चाहिए. So we translated this and there was lot of fun. I think this is the best way to learn any language, which we the way we learned it. So I think uh sorry sorry for the interruption. Okay, we can start. Their Nagil. So nail paint, Nagil Lak. Thank you for telling me. Uh, Himanshi, can we move forward? And we were singing this song in metro. This Karl Wasser, and nobody was able to understand. Okay. So you have 5 fingers. Now you will be in the position to explain those 5 fingers in German. So first thumb, der Daumen, thumb,
Der Daumen,
the Zeigefinger,
die Zeigefinger,
the middle finger, middle one,
die Mittelfinger,
der Ringfinger,
der Ringfinger,
der kleine finger, the small one.
der kleine Finger.
That was so easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. So parts of leg, das Knee,
Das Knie,
der Fuß,
der Fuß,
der Zeh, toe.
der Zeh.
Hmm. So organs,
Das Blut,
blood, der tuned arm,
Their doomed arm.
Their dick arm.
Their dick arm.
Das Gehirn.
Das Gehirn.
Die Haut.
Die Haut.
Das Herz.
Das Herz.
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 Herz. Herz.
Das Herz.
Die Leber.
Die Leber.
Liver. So das Blut, blood, der Dünnarm, small intestine, der Dickarm, the large intestine, das Gehirn, brain, the Haut, skin, das Herz, heart, the Leber, liver. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please repeat the brain one.
Okay, wait.
The
Das Gehirn. Das Gehirn.
Okay.
Gehirn. Speak with me. Das Gehirn. Gehirn.
Gehirn.
Das Gehirn.
Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else want to try after Vidhi and Shrestha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who?
Ma'am,
There is
Vasundhara.
one male also. Okay, we'll come to you. Is it Amit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Amit, we'll come to you for sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Die Lunge.
Die Lunge.
Die Milz.
Die Milz.
Der Magen. Bauch, Magen, stomach. So
Der-
if I typically identify Bauch is belly. Bauch.
Bauch.
Der Magen, stomach.
Der Magen.
So der Muskel, muscle.
Der Muskel.
Why muscle? Because sound of U.
Yes.
Der Muskel.
Der Muskel.
Die Niere, kidney.
Die Niere.
Das Skelett. Das Skelett.
Das Skelett.
Yes, Amit, we need your help now.
Yes, ma'am.
So I am here, Mueller. Okay, I'm not feeling well, and I want appointment with doctor today. So I'll call you, and you will fix my appointment today. Okay. So
Okay.
first line is Herr Müller ist krank. What does it mean? Herr Müller is the name of the person. Ist krank is not well, is sick. Krank means not well, sick.
Okay.
Braucht, he wants. Brauchen. Brauchen means need, in need of.
Need of. Okay.
Ich brauche Wasser. Means I need water. Ich brauche. Likewise, yesterday also you have learned this word when we were discussing on the topic Bestellung. Bestellung means ordering food. So then also you have seen that this word brauchen. Brauchen is was brauchen Sie means what do you need. So ich brauche Wasser, ich brauche Limonade. You have learned this yesterday. So braucht einen Arzttermin. What is this? He need a termine basically is appointment. So arts termine is doctor appointment. So if I talk about termine, write it down. Termine, T-A-R-M-E-N, termine is appointment. So if you wanted to fix any appointment, so then you will use ich möchte einen Termin. I want a appointment. Ruft bei der Ärztin an. So he called rufen. Rufen means to call up. Anrufen means to call up. Ruft bei der Ärztin an. So I am Herr Müller and you are der Sprechstundenhilfe. So you will help me to someone who help us to book appointment is Sprechstundenhilfe. Okay, so Amit, I'm starting and I'm a patient. Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
so you start first.
From
Praxis. Yeah.
praxis, doctor, Mueller, Muller, am apart, was, can, each full side, tun.
Okay. Okay. Himanshi, do you want to help Amit?
Yeah, Praxis Dr. Meyer, Muller am Apparat. Was kann ich für Sie tun? So Dr.
Okay.
Meyer, yes.
Yes, Himanshi, please go ahead.
What can what can I do for her?
So basically, it means praxis, Dr. Meyer, means I am Mueller am Apparat. Apparat is apparat is telephone, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Himanshi, on the machine.
Apparat is yes.
So, was kann ich für Sie tun? Tun means to do. What can I do for you?
What can I do for you?
What can
Was
I do?
kann ich für Sie tun? Likewise, now you can ask your wife in German, was kann ich für Sie tun? Okay? What can I do for you?
Okay, ma'am.
So, I say, Guten Tag, Frau Müller. Here is Thomas Tiger. Ich bin krank. Mir geht es nicht gut. Könnte ich heute noch vorbeikommen? Okay, I repeat again. Guten Tag. We know what is Guten Tag. Frau Müller is name. Here is Thomas Steiger. He's saying, I hear this side. Here means this side. Is Thomas Steiger. Ich bin krank. Ich bin krank. Of course, he's not feeling well. Krank means
Sick.
sick. So of course, he's explaining that ich bin krank. I'm not well. So if you're not feeling well, don't say I'm not feeling well. Say ich bin krank. Okay.
Ich bin krank.
And if someone will ask you how you're feeling, mir geht es nicht gut. Matlab, I'm not feeling good. Mir geht es nicht gut. Wie geht's? Nicht gut. Mir geht es nicht gut. Okay? Könnte ich heute noch vorbeikommen? Can I come there today? He's asking. Könnte ich heute means today. Noch vorbei means can I come there? Kommen, to come. Okay. Yes. Your turn. Amit, it's your turn.
यस मैम, वो बीच में कॉल आ गया था, सॉरी। वेर सेंट शॉन जिमलिक
Seamlish.
वॉल
Wall.
वॉल
Fall.
अबीर
Arbor.
वीन
Arbor.
वी
When.
वैन सी
Z.
मोस्टन
Miosten. When sie Miosten. Sho.
म्योस्टन कोनन श्यो 1730 कॉमन।
Okay. Wir sind schon ziemlich voll. We are almost full. Matlab, she's saying that we are packed. Basically, she wanted to say wir sind schon ziemlich voll means we are full, we are packed. Okay. Aber wenn sie möchten, but when you really request or when you really willing, wanting, you can come at 17:30. 17:30. Common. So if you really want, you can come at 17:30. Is it clear, guys? I think there should be so many questions with this. There should be so many questions.
मैम प्लीज इसका ट्रांसलेशन कंप्लीट करेंगे दोबारा से। विद सेंट शोशन यहाँ से।
Okay. Wir sind schon ziemlich voll. Means we are already packed. Voll, packed. Full. Full in English is voll of Deutsch. Wir sind schon ziemlich voll. Means we are packed. Aber means but. Aber, but. Aber is kind of a connector in German, likewise in English. But wenn Sie möchten, können Sie but when you want, können Sie, you can come at 17:30. Können Sie 17, obviously 17 is 17:30. Common. Any other question? I hope you guys are writing this.
What does Artsin means?
Artsin is female form of doctor. I told it in Traumberuf and Hobbies class. I explained this. Artsin. There is one more question, I guess. Simlish is already, we are already full. Almost, already. Simlish. Not Simlish, sorry, Simlish. Okay, any other question? Already, almost.
Yes ma'am, I continue.
Simlish is Seamlish is basically you can use that as seamless toy. Means it's very costly. Seamless you can replace with very also, there also, almost, already, seamless. There are so many. Come here. Can I come there? 4 by. Can I come there? Vergessen is to forget. Vergessen. Ich habe das vergessen. Ich kann das nicht vergessen. Means I cannot forget it. Forget. Okay. Yes, Amit, we can move forward.
Yes, ma'am. This glitch here.
Okay. That it's my
Here.
turn now. Heute. Heute 17:30 Uhr. Das ist gut. Means heute, as I told you, today 17:30. That's great. Das ist gut means that's great. Vielen Dank. He's saying vielen Dank. Now your turn.
Bis gleich.
Bis
Hard.
gleich. So C and H is Scha in German. Möchten. C and H. Gleiche. C and H.
Bis
Bis.
gleich.
Yes.
Excuse
So
me, ma'am.
if you see ish, ICH, what is this? Sure, the sound of sure. Ish. It's not itch. So it's not möchten.
Ma'am.
It's not möchten. It's not gleich. It's gleiche. So CH is sure in German. Yes. Who's this?
Ma'am, Vidhi.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Vidhi.
CH, besides being sure, is it sometimes like for example, in LICH,
Gleich.
and it's just sure every time in every word.
Mostly, yes, it is sure in German. Gleich, sure. Möchten. Any other example do you remember? Möchten.
I don't know. There was this
suchen.
word where CH was involved, but we pronounced it as like. I don't remember the word.
Okay. Is it?
Yes, ma'am, we did, as far as I remember.
Do let me know.
Okay.
If there is a doubt, I'll definitely clear.
Okay.
But right now, I don't remember that. If there is,
Okay.
then I will definitely clear that up. Okay. Bis gleich.
Bis gleich. Her.
What is meaning of bis gleich? Till then.
Till then.
Till then. Till then. We say no. Okay. Till then.
Okay. Her stranger.
Herr Steiger.
Herr Steiger. Work Essen. See.
Why it is vergessen?
Essen mean तो
Because-
food बताया था
No,
ना?
no.
Menu.
No. Why it is vergessen? Why it is not vergessen? It should be vergessen because it's V in German. So Herr Steiger, vergessen Sie.
Herr Steiger. Work Essen. See.
Vergessen.
Vergessen. Okay.
You are right. We told Essen is food. Yes, that's absolutely right. But vergessen is to forget.
Forget. Okay. See Here Varshishrankati Nicht
Okay.
mean
Bis-
night.
Don't. Till then, bis gleich, Herr Steiger. Vergessen Sie Ihre Versicherungskarte nicht. So don't forget your insurance card. There in Germany, there are insurance card which you have to keep with you for any small or big appointments. It should be there with you. Versicherung card. If you're going to doctor, if you're going to meet, if you're going to hospital, you should have your insurance card. There is no paper in Germany. In Germany, they don't have insurance papers or those big forms. They have a card where they enter things. Okay. So bis gleich, till then. Herr Steiger vergessen, to forget. Sie Ihre Versicherungskarte nicht. It means don't forget your insurance card. Is it clear? So Himanshi, I think we should repeat this once again.
Okay.
I'll be the patient, and you will be helping me to fix the appointment.
Praxis Dr. Meyer. Müller am Apparat. Was kann ich für Sie tun?
Guten Tag, Frau Müller. Okay, what is Frau and what is here? So Miss and Mr. So here is for males, Mr. as Mr. and Frau is for females as Miss. Okay? Is it clear? Guten Tag, Frau Müller. Here is Thomas Steiger. Ich bin krank. I'm feeling sick. Mir geht es nicht gut. Könnte ich heute noch vorbeikommen?
Wir sind schon ziemlich voll. Aber wenn Sie möchten, können Sie um 17:30 Uhr kommen.
Heute 17:30 Uhr. Das ist gut. Vielen Dank.
Bis gleich, Herr Steiger. Vergessen Sie Ihre Versicherungskarte nicht.
Okay. Ich vergesse das nicht. Bestimmt. Okay. So next. Any question before we move? So as you know that you understand, if you go to Germany, if you fall sick and you wanted to explain you're not feeling well, if you wanted to book an appointment, and if you wanted to explain you're not well, so you know your body parts in German language, so you can say where you have pain, Schmerzen, you know pain, you can explain little bit about your health. So this is the reason behind this session. Okay, Himanshi, we have very less time left, and there's one more topic to complete. So I think you and me should read this loudly.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be the patient, you will be the doctor.
Okay.
Patient. Guten Tag, Herr Doktor.
Guten Tag. Was fehlt Ihnen? Or was ist los?
Okay. So, was fehlt Ihnen? Was ist los? Likewise, I'm not feeling well, for example, and my mother comes to me. So in German, she can ask me, was ist los? What is the problem? So this is a way to ask in German, what is the problem? Was ist los? So obviously, a doctor asks a patient, was ist los? What is the problem? Was fehlt Ihnen? Okay? Patient. Ich fühle mich nicht wohl. Mein Kopf tut weh. Ich habe Schnupfen. So, ich fühle mich nicht wohl means feeling, to feel. Okay. Nicht wohl, I'm not feeling well. Okay. Mein Kopf tut weh means my headache is paining badly. So this is the way to express your pain. Likewise, I have severe pain in my hand, let's say. Mein Hand tut weh. Ich habe zu viel geschreibt. Mein Hand tut weh. So after writing too much, my hand, there's a lot of pain in my hand. Ich habe zu viel geschreibt. Mein Hand tut weh. So I'm expressing the pain I'm feeling, how severe it is. Okay? Und ich habe Schnupfen. I have cold. Ich habe Schnupfen. I have cold. Okay, Doctor.
Sie sehen richtig nicht gut aus. Sie haben vielleicht Grippe. Fühlen Sie sich auch kalt?
Okay, Sie sehen richtig nicht gut aus. मतलब sehen, you not seems to be good.
Don't look good also.
Don't look good. Sehen, you don't look good. Sie haben vielleicht Grippe. Grippe, flu. Vielleicht, maybe. Vielleicht is maybe in German. So, vielleicht ich gehe zum Arzt heute. Maybe I'll go to doctor today. Vielleicht. Sie haben vielleicht Grippe. Maybe you have flu. Fühlen Sie sich auch kalt? Are you feeling cold? So if you visit a doctor and you have these signs of flu, you have cold, you're feeling not well, so doctor might ask you, ठंड भी लग रही है क्या? Fühlen Sie sich auch kalt? 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 Ja, ich fühle mich ein bisschen kalt. Übrigens habe ich auch Bauchschmerzen und Durchfall. Okay, so I say ja. It's not ja. You can see it's not ja. It's ja of in German. Ich fühle mich ein bisschen kalt. I'm feeling little bit cold. And übrigens, above that, übrigens, I have Bauchschmerzen, I have pain in stomach, and Durchfall is motion. Motions? Is it clear? Or should I repeat any word? Lot of vocabulary. You
Ma'am,
can
could you repeat the last word?
Durchfall. Durchfall.
Okay.
Durchfall. Okay? Durchfall, motion, Bauchschmerzen, stomach pain. Ein bisschen is little bit, kalt is cold, fühlen, as I told you, is to feel. Okay, doctor.
Okay. Sie haben jetzt Fieber. Hier sind Ihr Rezept. Nehmen Sie die Tabletten 3-mal am Tag und Sie sollen morgen noch einmal
Zu mir.
zu mir. Und Sie sollen morgen noch einmal zu mir kommen. Ich werde Sie nochmal untersuchen.
Okay. So doctor is saying, okay, Sie haben jetzt Fieber. Fever, any guesses? Fever? Any guesses?
Fever.
Yes, correct. That's correct. Here's an ear recept. Recept, any guesses?
Receipt.
Yes. Nehmen Sie die Tabletten. Nehmen, to take. Please take Tabletten. Any guesses?
Tablets.
Wow, yeah. Very good. Und Sie sollen morgen. What is morgen?
Morning.
Noch einmal zu mir kommen. Matlab, Sie sollen, you should once again come to me. Kommen? What is kommen?
Come.
To come.
Noch einmal is again.
Noch einmal is again. Ich werde Sie nochmal untersuchen. I'll untersuchen is to check. I'll look after you once again. I'll check you once again. Nochmals, once again. Ich möchte Sie nochmal treffen. Treffen, to meet. For example, nochmal is once again. I want to meet you once again. Ich möchte nochmals Pizza essen. So, nochmals, once again. I want to eat pizza once again. Nochmals. Okay? So, danke, Herr Doktor. Was soll ich machen?
Trinken Sie mehr Wasser und vergessen Sie nicht, die Tabletten vor dem Essen zu nehmen.
So, Herr Doctor, was noch soll ich machen? So, was noch? What else should I do?
Also drink water, and do not forget the tablet should be taken before you eat.
Before you eat, yes. Ich verstehe. Verstehe will tell me what is verstehen. Verstehen, guys?
I promise. I promise.
No.
I promise.
No.
No?
Ich verstehe. In the first class, when we were doing alphabets, I told verstehen. It was in the example. Verstehen means to understand. I understood. Thank you. Any questions before we move forward, because this topic is over? So now try to practice some dialogues that assume that you are visiting a doctor, and then just try to write some dialogues. Very simple dialogues. Ich bin krank. Was soll ich tun? What should I do? I'm not feeling well. That kind of very simple dialogues. Try to do that. So last but not the least, it's very important to learn adjectives. The most useful German adjectives.
So these are the list of adjectives and their translation in English.
So I will quickly read it for you very quickly. Alt, and then the opposite is jung, means old and young. Arm is poor, reich is rich. Er is their arm, means he is very poor. Sie is sehr reich, she is very rich. Okay. Billig and teuer, cheap and expensive. Billig, das Handy is sehr billig. Aber das Uhr, aber die Uhr, das ist sehr teuer. Means this phone is very cheap, but this watch is very expensive. Okay? Okay. The Tabletta is sehr bitter. Bitter? Bitter is bitter. Und das candy is sehr süß. So this candy, this toffee is very sweet.
I think the students can make sentences out of some of the adjectives. That can be their homework.
Yes, that definitely gonna be their homework. They have to explain their personality using one of the adjective, and I think they should also make sentences. Yes. So ich bin dick, and Himanshi ma'am is dun. Means I am thick. Himanshi ma'am
Not
is
true. Ich bin
no.
auch.
Sie sind nicht. Okay. Okay, dieser Raum is sehr dreckisch, means dirty. Dieser Raum is sehr sauber, means.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Why does G, the letter G, has this sh sound?
Z. Which one?
Like for example, in dirty, how did you pronounce dirty in German?
Dreckisch.
Yes, ma'am. This sh sound. So G is sh as well.
So that IG is also sure, no?
Okay.
Dreckisch.
Okay.
It's ending. It is ending. it is coming at the end. You have learned dreisish, fiercish.
Yes.
You've
So when
learned that, right?
the end, so it's okay.
That way. It's in the end, but they are maybe the middle or somewhere.
Okay.
Eng und bright. Okay. When there is less space, you can say tight, and when there's so much space, that's bereit. Sie haben falsch gesagt. You have said something wrong. If you falsch gesagt to say, richtig is right. Sie sind recht oder richtig is right. Yes, Preeti. Is it Preeti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Preeti. Where were you? I was missing you. Where were you?
I'm Kaini.
Kaini? Okay. Are you practicing German at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You're very sweet. You know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you know that. Sie sind sehr süß. Sie ist sehr süß. Es tut mir leid. Okay. Faul, lazy, fleißig, diligent means hardworking. Freundlich, friendly, unfreundlich, unfriendly. Früh is early. Ich stehe auf sehr früh. Früh, as Astha told you yesterday, früh means early. Stück is part. So what you eat early is Frühstück. You must remember that. Frühstück. Spät is late. Ich bin spät. Es tut mir leid. Ich bin heute spät gekommen. Means today I'm late. Spät. 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 Ich fühle mich sehr fresh. Means I'm feeling fresh. Das ist sehr alt. This is very old. Eine fröhliche Frau means a happy woman. Eine traurige Frau, a sad woman. Das ist gefährlich. It's dangerous. Das ist gefährlich. It's dangerous. Gefährlich. Gefährlich. Ungefährlich. Safe. Gesund. Wir sollen gesund essen. We should eat healthy. Wir sollen gesund essen. Wir sollen gesund werden. We should become healthy. We should eat healthy. Also krank is sick, as we told you earlier. Next, very quickly, ganz schnell. Okay, glatt is smooth, rau is rough, groß und klein. Wir haben zwei Preeti, eine ist groß, eine ist groß und eine ist klein. Gut und schlecht is good and bad. Heiß is hot, kalt is cold. Hell is bright, dunkel is dark. Langsam is slow. Schnell is fast. Laut, bitte laut sprechen. Please speak loudly. Bitte leise sprechen. Please speak slowly. Okay. Motiviert, zum Beispiel, Vidhi hat heute motiviert, Französisch zu lernen. Und demotiviert ist demotivated. Means Vidhi has motivated me to learn French, and demotivated. No one has demotivated, thankfully. Shrestha, am I too fast for you, or should I slow down? Okay, explain it again. I'm fast because then
कोरोना वायरस को फैलने से रोका जा सकता है। खांसते या छींकते वक्त हमेशा अपने मुंह को रुमाल या टिश्यू
the previous one, Himanshi, she want me to repeat.
No, I'm just asking for the fast one. The what we can what we say fast in German.
Schnell.
Schnell. Okay, thank you.
Ich habe gedacht, dass ich bin zu schnell. I am very fast. Okay, müde. Ich bin müde. Means I'm tired. Ich bin müde. Ich bin krank. Now you have so many words to say. Adjectives are very important to enrich your vocabulary. I guess there's some. Please, guys, keep your phone on silent. Okay. Sauber is clean. Dreckig is dirty.
Ma'am, what's awake?
Oh, wach.
Yes, ma'am, in this one. Like, it's like, not sure.
Okay. Nach. Wach. Likewise, it's in the middle, na, Myochten. So you can't say Myochten. You can't. It's like this only. You can't say Myochten. Our teacher taught us this way only.
Okay.
So, in German, it's nach, wach. So that k sound comes.
But it's nicht.
Nicht. So Nicht.
Yeah.
Nicht. It's not nicht. It's not like that. Sauber is clean. Dreckig is dirty. Schief is aswe. Eben is even. Schlau is smart. Their man is sehr schlau. This man is very smart. Diese Frau is sehr dumm. Means this woman is dumb. Schwach is weak. Stark is strong. Trocken, dry. Nass, wet. Next. Himanshi, you have to stop. Ambitious, ehrgeizig. Annoying, ärgerlich. Bad, schlecht. Beautiful, schön. Diese Frau ist sehr schön. Ihre Augen ist sehr schön. Your eyes are very beautiful. You are very beautiful. Ihre Herz means your heart is sehr schön. Your heart is very beautiful. So that way. Now you can use these words like this. Okay, care is Sorgen. Ich sorge mich. Unbesorgen. Das ist falsch geschrieben. Unbesonnen. Das ist nicht korrekt. Vorsichtig is conscious. Certain is bestimmt, charming, charmant, cheerful, fröhlich. Chinesisch is Chinese. Conceited is eingebildet.
Unbesorgen, right, ma'am?
Yes. Unbesorgen. It's not correct. Sorgen is to take care. It's sorgemisch. I care for. Unbesorgen. It's not correct. O-R-G-N. So guys, there are list of words. I think you should go through it and try to make some sentences. That should be your homework.
Yeah, I think we should end the class here.
No, there's one last slide. Preeti, yesterday PPT is I've already sent that. It's as a link, which I got it as a link only. So I send it to you that way. Preeti. Guys, have you seen yesterday's PPT?
Ma'am, we should finish it thoda jaldi because I have to leave.
Okay, okay. Just the last slide,
Okay,
Himanshi.
ma'am. Okay.
Then you leave. I'll take 5 minutes more. Then you can leave.
Should I change the slide, ma'am?
Yeah, please. The last slide where we use this Zusammenfassung.
Which side?
Last one, Zusammenfassung. Last. Himanshi, last. Before vielen Dank.
Okay.
So this kind of introduction you can prepare now. Ich bin Suniti Bhatia. Ich bin 29 Jahre alt. Ich komme aus Neu-Delhi. Ich wohne in Faridabad. Ich habe eine kleine Familie. Ich bin verheiratet. I'm married. Mein Lieblingsfarbe ist rosa. Meine Lieblingsessen ist Pasta. Meine Hobbys sind Tanzen und Kaufen. Ich bin eine geduldige und praktische Frau. Means I am patient and practical woman. So now you can use adjective. Himanshi, you can leave if you have something to do. Thank you. So
कोरोना वायरस को फैलने से रोक
So guys, I was saying that now you guys should be in the position to make your introduction like this. I'll share this with you and try to make sentences using adjectives. If you feel, if you have any doubts, you have any queries, you feel free to ask. Try, because this will adjectives is very important. If you are learning a language, it is very important. Preeti, do you have anything to ask?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Preeti. Any other question, guys, for today? You have learned a lot of new things. No questions?
Excuse me, ma'am, the adjectives in German, do they come before the noun words or after?
After.
After, like every adjective.
After. Actually, in German, I'll tell you separately. I don't want others to get confused. If you are too, yeah, I'll call you after this class and I'll tell you. I'll explain it to you briefly.
Okay.
Because others will get because there is. I have to explain it to you properly.
Okay.
I'll explain it to you. Any other question? Because tomorrow only you guys will speak German. You have to introduce yourself. You have to complete one assignment, one quiz. So tomorrow will be your day. Still, if you have any question to ask, you can ask. You can ask right now. Guys, please don't unmute yourself. Otherwise, please keep your phone on silent. No questions? So should we end this class? Wir sollen Schluss machen. Okay, guys. Then I'll see you tomorrow, same time, and prepare your introduction. I would like to hear from you guys, and I'll send you one example. Please complete that and and prepare your introduction and add one or two adjective as per your personality, and try to make sentences using adjectives, very small sentences. Ihre Augen ist sehr schön. Likewise, I said your eyes are very beautiful. That way, very small. Ich habe schöne Augen. I have beautiful eyes. That way. So you will be in the position to use adjectives. Okay? Okay, Manish, gute Nacht. Vasundhara, gute Nacht. Nish, guten Nacht. Gute Nacht, Amit. Okay, guys, take care of yourself. See you tomorrow.